Hello, welcome to the channel. If you meet me for the first time, my name is Uchenna. In today's video, I'm gonna show you different places where you can easily get Web3 jobs. I know that one of the challenges people actually face when they are starting out in the Web3 space is finding good paying jobs. That is why I've taken out the time to compile the various places where you can easily find good paying jobs in the Web3 space. So if that sounds like something you want to learn, sit back while I take you on the journey. As a bonus tip, at the end of the video, I'm also going to show you how you can use AI tools to improve your cover letter so that you can cut through the noise and get job invites. So without wasting much time, let's get to it. The first job board that we'll be looking at is BPro. BPro is a tax-based marketplace created to help organizations and builders thrive. Organizations can easily create and launch tax while builders have the opportunity to work on them and earn crypto as payment. So if you have some sort of digital skills that you want to use to earn, you can easily hop into BPro and find tasks that actually matches your skill sets and deliver them to earn cryptocurrency. So once you hop in on the site, all you have to do is to click on the explore tags. Once you click on the explore tags, it will open up. Then you will see the available opportunities that you can grab. So once you look through it and you find something that you know you can do, click on it, apply. Once approved, then you're set to start working on the task. Once you're done, you get paid. As you can see, here is where you can connect your wallet that you want to use to receive the funds once you're done working on the project. So that's that for BPro. The next on the list is remotetrade.co. Remotetrade.co actually houses a wide range of job posting. So once you hop in on the site, all you need to do is to also scroll through to see the available posting. Here you can see that they have a head of protocol, 16 applicants, 48 views. We have junior back-end engineer, 42 applicants, 168 views. So you just need to look through to find something that meets your skill set. As a bonus tips, please try to apply for jobs that with lesser applicants. That will actually help you to stand out. Next is crypto.jobs. Crypto.jobs also has a wide range of job posting that you can as well take advantage of. So once you land on the site, you just need to look through to also find something that matches your skill set. You can see MetaGraph developer, 36 applicants. It was posted 6 days ago. You have full stack web developer, 18 hours ago, 81 applications. Then you have senior product manager, 25 days ago, 20 applicants. So all you have to do is to find something that you want, click on it, read through the job description to see if it is something that you can do. Once it is a role that you can comfortably handle, you click on apply now and you'll be taken to an application page where you will need to fill out your information and also upload your resume. It is as simple as that. So the next is web3.career. Web3.career actually houses a wide range of Web3 jobs. And the best part is that you don't need to start sorting through the job posting. You can just go by category, choose a particular category you're looking for. For example, if you are an analyst, you're looking for analyst role, you just click on analyst. If you are just starting out in the Web3 space and you're looking for an internship role, you click on intern. Then all the available opportunities in that particular space will be open for you to actually choose. You can see investor relations intern. You can see summer marketing and business development intern. So once you find something that you like, you simply click on it and the job description will open this way. Once it opens, you can read through to see what they are looking for and also know if it is something that you have the skill set to meet. If it is something you have the skill set to meet, all you need to do is hit on apply and go from there. Now, the next on the list is DeFi.jobs. DeFi.jobs is actually specifically for the DeFi guys. So if you have the knowledge of DeFi, here is where to be. Like I said, welcome to the job board for the future of finance. Be part of the movement towards a world of open finance by joining one of the many decentralized companies below. So just look through again, find something that you want. If you see anyone, you click on it, then go on to apply. It is as simple as that. So beside this particular 5 job boards that is dedicated to Web3 jobs, there are still other places that you can find Web3 jobs, and one of those places is LinkedIn. As a professional, you wouldn't want to play down on LinkedIn because LinkedIn is a place that you must be as a professional. There are some jobs that you will apply outside LinkedIn that also requires you to provide your LinkedIn profile because they want to see who they're dealing with. So LinkedIn is very, very important. It also gives you the opportunity to connect with some of the project heads that you may not be able to connect with in other platforms. So being able to share valuable content also puts you out there as someone who knows what you're doing in the Web3 space. So it is a place that I would say you must be, and you must show up from time to time to actually connect with people and also share what you know in the space. That way you'll be putting yourself in the front of your potential employers. Besides connecting with people, LinkedIn also has a job board that you can leverage. But the difference between LinkedIn job board and these other job boards is that LinkedIn job board is not dedicated to Web3 jobs alone. So you can find a job in other industries, but there are still a few Web3 jobs that you can find there. And also, don't forget, X is also another place to show up daily, share good content, and also connect with people because you just don't know where the next message is going to pop out from. So it may be somebody who has been following you for a while, maybe a project that has been following you for a while, and they think you're a good fit for them. They can as well reach out. Now that we have covered the different places that you can get Web3 jobs, let's now look at how you can use AI to actually write an appealing cover letter that is going to help you cut through the noise and get job interview invite. So without wasting much time, let us now look at that particular one. To do this, I'm going to be using Gemini, Google's own AI tool, but feel free to use any of the AI tools that you are familiar with, be it ChatGPT, be it DeepSeek, or any other AI tool that you are familiar with. So the process is pretty simple. It's nothing difficult. It is something that you can do in just few minutes. So what you need to do is to go to the job that you want to apply for. Once you go there, copy the description of the job, copy everything, don't leave out anyone. Then come back to your AI tool and tell it, please use this job description. So the prompt is, please use this job description to craft a tailored cover letter for the role. So you paste the job description and allow it to do its job. As you can see, Gemini is doing the job. Depending on the tool you're using, it is just going to do the same thing. It said dear hiring manager or team. So you choose whether you're gonna use hiring manager or team, but you don't leave it this way. You say dear hiring manager or hiring team. So I am writing to express my, you can say my new interest, you can say my enthusiastic interest, you can say my interest. Just do well to try to do a few edits so that it doesn't sound AI as well. So but it has given you everything that you actually need to stand out. So I am writing to express my enthusiastic interest in the research analyst position at Integra as advertised on web3.career, since that is where you got the job. So you put it in here. Say Integra's mission to restore integrity to the financial system deeply resonate with me, and I am particularly drawn to the opportunity to contribute to the fight against fraud. So you can see that the AI tool is actually giving back the team what they need to know. This shows that you actually read the job that you are applying. You read the job description for the job that you're applying for. So once you go through, you can even make this cover letter more custom by copying and pasting your resume in this place. So once you copy and paste your resume, the AI can now use your resume and your job description to create a custom cover letter that cannot be found anywhere. It is just for you, but then that mirrors your experience to the requirements of the role that you are applying for. You don't need any technical skills to be able to do. So long as you can type, it is something that you can do. And the good part is that you can do this within a few minutes and you're done. So you can apply for as many jobs as possible within the day, since you don't have to manually write your cover letter, and you also don't need to use one cover letter to apply for 20 jobs. It is not advisable. It is advisable that you tailor your cover letter to each of the roles that you are applying for. So that brings us to the end of this particular video. Do well to give it a thumbs up if you found value from it, and also subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.